In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passkey in Ownerrez. To get started, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main homepage after signing in. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account and profile options, and that's where we'll begin. Click on your profile in the top right corner. This will open a menu with several account-related settings. From that menu, select Safeguards. The Safeguards section is where Ownerrez stores important security options for your account, including features that help protect your login and make account access more secure. After you open Safeguards, look for the Passkeys section. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place, because this is where you'll manage passkey access for your account. Passkeys are designed to give you a more secure and often more convenient sign-in experience than relying only on a password. Once you find that section, click Add a Passkey. At this point, Ownerrez will begin the setup process. Depending on your device and browser, you may see a prompt asking you how you'd like to create or use the passkey. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Next, open your Gmail account to get the passkey. This step is important if your passkey is connected through your Google account or stored there as part of your device's passkey setup. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you can access it without interruption. After that, type in passkey. This usually means entering the requested information or confirming the passkey option when prompted during the setup flow. Go slowly here and read each prompt carefully so you don't miss anything. The wording may vary slightly depending on your browser, operating system, or whether you're on desktop or mobile. Finally, verify the passkey. This is the last confirmation step and is what completes the setup. In many cases, verification may involve your fingerprint, face recognition, device PIN, or another secure method tied to your device. Once verified, your passkey should be added to your Ownerrez account successfully. As a quick tip, after setup is complete, it's a good idea to return to the Safeguards section and confirm that the new passkey appears in the list. That way, you know everything was saved properly and your account is ready for future sign-ins. And that's how to add a passkey in Ownerrez.